see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shitty, my bros raw.
This is like day, I don't even know what day anymore. We've been here so long. I'm tired, I'm thirsty. Drank through like, been here for a week, exactly a day, 7 days. I drank this entire bottle of water, a whole nother bottle of water this morning.
It's so dry.
It's so dry, I'm so thirsty. I just ran into Jack again, which is awesome. Love that guy. It's just been crazy. It's been so crazy. And I'm getting exhausted and tired, and I still gotta walk around the middle of this hall.
You vlogging the vlog? Shout out Dirty Max Jack, you vlogging the vlog?
I was just watching you perform.
Alright everybody, Mrs. Ohio here. We're here in Vegas with Mr. Ohio himself.
And Mrs. Ohio.
And Mojito Ohio. Shout out him, follow. Let's hear from the man himself. What's going on?
We just ordered an Uber, but we don't know what's going on because I needed it for 6 people, but it's like an Acura, so this is going to be interesting. And we need to get a Topgolf like now.
I'm not sure what to think. I'm a little confused.
All of a sudden Morgan's the news.
This is Ohio Reverend Morgan. I'm here. Captain Morgan on the weekends only. Thank you so much.
What about Applebee's? Yo.
What's up, guys? Welcome to day 2 of the actual show. This truck has gotten so dusty out here in just like the desert climate, so I'm over here. Oh, I'm sorry. Over here just dusting it off. But that's one of the things here is like you get a lot of companies who also want to like you hire them to come do this daily, but it's again, save money, do it yourself. This takes no time at all. Thank you, baby. Excuse me. Oh, we're good now. Here I go. Oh, see me day 2. I'm already sweating too. This is unreal. It's hot. It's like not hot any other day, but for some reason, these last 2, super hot. What, are you going? So, there's a lot of like dualies here, and it's really tempted me. They're definitely obnoxious and way too like big to like daily drive, but I might be able to make it happen and just like deal with it. But it's just, there's a huge prejudice to drive something that large. Not that I don't drive something that large already, but like just go from like single wheel to dual. That might be a move. Oh.
Ford?
If you guys have any trash at the show, the dumpsters are right there.
Oh my god, it does look like a dumpster. It's like...
Did I hear that coming out of your mouth?
Well, it does. Look at it.
I know.
It's like a huge...
When you're putting your face with the front.
That's it!
Right in here, we have Brian Mayer, we have 6'7" Lime, we have Lacey, a beautiful Lacey, and Diesel Dave.
He's prettier.
Right here with us, we are signing autographs, and look at this crowd, guys. This is amazing. This is absolutely amazing.
You're amazing.
We have awesome people here, guys. Come over to the booth, check us out. We are launching new shocks and coilovers over here. And
Giving away Hot Wheels.
And we have
And
Hot
lanyards.
Wheels, lanyards. We have sanitizers, which are always important. So everybody says hi. Spotless Auto Detail, Texas OBS says hey. What's up? Awesome.
Oh, is it?
84,000.
I tried to say pretty private, but whatever. That's just crazy. Alright, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Thanks, guys.
Alright, so one here, and then the next one's gonna have Gail in the middle. Alright.
Where are we looking? This one? That was bad. Take that one. Perfect.
One more. Wait.
Alright.
The tall guy in the middle.
Alright, they're all in.
Y'all got anything for Jeeps?
Warmed it up for you. Alright, everyone smile. Look over here, look over here. Perfect.
Thank you.
I'm gonna grab my camera for all you guys disappear, damn it.
Wow. Yeah, he took like 3,000 in like 2 seconds.
That's the way to do it. You just gotta hold the trigger.
Wow.
That's how you do it when women hand you a phone. Like, hey, you take a picture. Just hold your thumb down.
Yeah. 123. Oh, okay. Oh wait, no, none of these are good.
All right, I'm actually headed out. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'll come find you. I'll come see you.
To the Banks after party, man.
Oh, you're vlogging, dude? I'm about to start vlogging too, bro.
Everybody's been looking for you, bro. Everybody's been looking for you on YouTube. Everybody's been looking for you.
Oh, we're vlogging the vlog. We're vlogging the vlog. Look at all the MVPs right here, boys. Oh my God. I have to hold it still, boys. It's focusing. All right, so we got Ryan Mayer, we got Bug BMX, we got. You poured in about 5 glasses.
Low Life Duramax.
We got D-Max Rhino. We got Mark Cola.
Mohito Ohio, Ben Anton.
Dude, we got Ben Anton.
Just
right
hit
here hanging out.
8,000. Just hit 8,000. Thank you.
Great job.
Man, that's awful.
It is awful, but if you turn this way, yeah, see?
Hey, all is good now, brother man.
You gotta turn this way to get the light.
Yeah, this is good. Yo, my man Ryan came to SEMA after shelling out a ton of money for his truck, and then he just like magically overnight gained like 25,000 subscribers and like 1 million views on a video, and then like 250,000 views on another video, and then like another video is like 125,000 views.
I couldn't believe it.
My man,
I couldn't believe it.
it's crushing it over here. Truck turned out sick, by the way.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Everybody tell them South Bend Clutch. Just South Bend.
Don't tell him, but we already got one.
Oh, wait, well, what?
We're good, we got one. I just haven't installed it yet. It happens from time to time. But how crazy is this? We got like all of the diesel YouTubers from YouTube at the Banks After Party. Big shout out to Banks, by the way. Thank you guys for putting this on. Jay, really appreciate it. Gail, really appreciate it. This is absolutely awesome.
Yeah, this is absolutely insane. I know this is something you all have been wanting to look at, and literally all of us are here in one room, which is just absolutely nuts. Oh, you mixed them up now.
I know which one's which. All right, everybody, say thank you to Ryan for bringing me my extra battery.
That's why I have like 8 batteries for that camera. All right, guys, literally it's the last day of SEMA. I didn't even show up today. I'm so SEMA'd out. I'm so exhausted. I've seen it all. I've walked so much, been in the heat, been in the sun, been in the dust, been in the whatever so long. I literally just showed up now, and now, as you can hear, vehicles are starting and everyone's about to roll out. And it's gonna be a big cluster. Yeah, I can already see that it's a cluster. It's gonna be a big mess. Everyone needs to get out of here so the people inside, all those vehicles can roll out here tonight too and get this convention center emptied so the next thing can roll in. That's how these things work. So we're all about to get in line and wait for a long time and sit in an obnoxious amount of traffic just to get out of the show. So I'm gonna bring you guys along. Hey.
So I'm gonna.
Oh. Deal of everything wrong with my SEMA. Yeah, I just want to get those flags off because if we're rolling down the strip, hey, we need to make this usable. I just want to get those flags off because if we're rolling down the strip, I don't want like.
Can you say that again? I accidentally zoomed.
I just want to get those flags off because I don't want to be rolling down the strip and it like getting all tattered or anything, or just I don't know where we're going after this. So try and get in there and find our way out of here. It's kind of a mess. I know I brought you guys on the way in, but I just want to like bring you guys along on the way out because this looks a little more clustered than the way in because there's no like direction. It's just everyone just get out. I totally just blocked off a flow of traffic, but it's whatever.
Yo, see ya.
This is actually like nuts. There's so many people here. I didn't realize that this was like a thing. Like everyone sits here and watches this. This is nuts. You never seen this YouTube? nuts. I didn't realize this part was. I thought it was free and ready to go. Like literally my calf is about to cramp up. My clutch foot is so like tight right now. Number one about driving a big truck, learn how to park a big truck next to another big truck. Wow, look at that, friends. It actually looks sweet. See? Y'all thought I couldn't fit.
Utility van can
Utility van is just fine. He's been here all the time. Alright guys, we made it back to the hotel. We completely skipped the whole like ignited parking lot scene because first of all, look at this. You can't really tell from here, but that was where the arena was with all the lights. So the convention center is right there. There's the arena with all the lights in it. First of all, there's traffic and police officers directing all the way here. It took us a good look at how far this is like back, just slowly moving and backed up traffic. You can see all the way back here it's backed up. So pretty much I went out there, down there, and all the way over here. And that took me 2.5 hours. So that was not fun. Obviously I sat in the ignited parking lot. We might waste some time, but like 2.5 hours just in traffic. It's not going to get any better tonight either because it's Friday night in Vegas. Convention just finished. Both of them, Apex and SEMA. It's not going to get any better. Traffic's going to get worse. More people are going to come into the city because it's a Friday night. So people will land Friday, stay till next Friday, you know, through the weekend. People will just come for the weekend. So it wasn't getting any better. Honestly, the parking lot was getting pretty full anyway. So, yeah, as you can see, literally traffic is still so backed up coming out of that convention center and SEMA. I honestly feel bad for all the people inside the convention center because they're going to be way over there for a long time. Alright guys, it's literally the last night we're here. We're gonna load the truck up back on the trailer so he can get on the road and back to Ohio. Last time parking in the garage here, and literally, I mean, everything, I mean, SEMA and all of it is just over. But it's time to for us to head home tomorrow. The truck to head home tonight. I really don't have a lot of fuel, but I'm not gonna fill up because I probably won't drive this truck much in the winter when it goes back. There's like snow and salt on the ground already, so we're gonna head over to the trailer now and load her up. And she's off. Look at that. Alright guys, literally we are, why did I say literally? Alright guys, we're packed up here in our hotel. Everything's packed packed away. It is Sunday, so we got here not Thursday, but the prior Thursday, so we've been here for a minute. This view is gonna be hard to give up, just the mountains and everything out here in the desert. So much different than at home. And we're literally going back to snow, ready to go home, like ready. We've been here for 10 days. You're in a city where obviously is not your home, and at this point it almost feels like home because I've been here for so long. But SEMA was awesome, and I'm gonna be honest, with a vehicle in it, so much different than not. It's almost more stressful, I have a lot more work, a lot more stuff to do, and you're here so long. Last year I came to SEMA just as, just to see the show, and I was here for, 3 days. I think I came for 3 of the show days, 2 of the nights, and I saw everything, and I got my little fix, and I was good. But these 10 days are actually kind of exhausting, very stressful, very exhausting. I'm tired, ready to go home, and I got like a full day of travel plus the time change. So we'll be taking off at 3 and landing at like 12 a.m. or something, 12:45. It's gonna be nuts. But the SEMA experience here, obviously I don't know how many people are left in Vegas here, but I guess one of the last ones here. Truck left yesterday, as you saw, but we'll meet him about Monday. He said he'll be home either Monday or Tuesday, so we'll catch up with the truck when it gets back. But at the same time, guys, SEMA has been exhausting. Right now, at this moment, people will be like, what are you building for next year? And right now, at the moment, I'm so exhausted, it's like, it's not even in my mind. I'm like, do I even want to do this next year? But I'm pretty sure that goes for every single SEMA builder. They're just like, whew. That was exhausting, and just need a little bit of time, a little bit of a break. A lot of the actual builders and like people who work the booths will go on vacation after this week, even though this is like a vacation, because it's so just stressful and so much just going on. But guys, if you enjoyed this series, please get down there, give this video a like. If you haven't been here before, get down there, click subscribe as well. Lots coming when we get home. A new vehicle, I definitely need. It's snowing back home. I need a new vehicle, so one's definitely coming. Stay tuned for that. You guys are gonna be excited about that. And I don't know if you guys, like I said, if you guys enjoyed this, shoot a thumbs up. Haven't been here before, click subscribe. I will see you guys back at home, and we'll be leaving Las Vegas. Thank you guys for tuning. Thank you guys for tuning into this like little series. I know I try to upload every 10 days, but all of the 10 days, but it's just been crazy. So thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for all the likes. Thank you guys for all the new like subscribers, and your support is unreal. The channel growth in the last couple weeks here has been unreal, and I can't thank you guys enough. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.